Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to iPhone like dynamic Iceland in Moto G77. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store click on search bar, search dynamic sport. Dynamic sport. Click on dynamic sport. Click on install. Now wait few seconds. After completing installation, click on open. Click on next. Click on select app. Now here you see app. Select app that you want to turn on. After selecting app, turn on this button, and if you want to turn on all app, then click on all. Now go back, click on notification access, click on dynamic sport and turn on this button. Click on allow. Now click on draw on screen. Click on allow. Click on next. Click on dynamic sport and turn on all these buttons. Click on done. Click on continue. This is how you can iPhone like dynamic Iceland in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.